The following steps are for those who are upgrading SuccessWare from an older version or are reinstalling. If you are installing SuccessWare for the first time, please click the link in this video's description. After downloading SuccessWare, open the downloaded file. Read the license agreement in full, and if you accept its terms, click Agree. Double-click the Applications folder icon to open your Applications folder. Drag the SuccessWare application to your SuccessWare folder within your Applications folder. When asked what to do with the existing SuccessWare application, choose Replace. And you're done.